Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to get Spotify codes. So first thing you wanna do is sign into your Spotify. Then let's open the app and we're already signed in. And then you can choose a song title in the search bar or you can choose one in any of your albums. Then click the three dots next to the heart icon. Then press share. And then copy album link. Then after that, just go to www.spotifycodes.com in your web browser. So we're already here. And then paste the album link into the white bar and click Get Spotify Code. So that's it. Here's your code and you can just screenshot it. You can change also the color. By pressing it. You can also change the settings if you want to save it in JPEG, PNG, or SVG. And you can just download it. And you can just share it. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!